Press the. Yeah, press
Customer
the.
needs assistance in self-checkout.
Okay.
What are you guys getting all this paint for?
Yours is already scanned, bud. Let's Sawyer do his. Let's Sawyer do this one.
Wait, why couldn't you just scan one 4 times?
They're all different.
Wait, I'm paying for this? So here you go.
Hey,
Where do you think it goes?
Oh, there it is.
Please, would you like an e-receipt?
Press the white button.
Thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.
You got them both? All right, good job.
You got 2.
Blown away.
Alright, how do you spray it?
How do you spray it?
Yeah.
Oh, you gotta shake it up first. Let me see you shake it. Shake it like a Polaroid picture. Hands in your pocket. All right. So, see how the wind is blowing towards us? You want to stand so that the paint sprays away from you. So the wind blows it. See, you're standing right in the way. Come over here. You're gonna hold one finger on the top, just like this. And you should not spray right now next to me because it's gonna hit me.
Yeah, don't spray my people. You're a car.
You press it down and you move it, and then you let go before you take it up. So sorry, Tootie. Don't you gonna spray it yourself?
I can't do it.
I'm sorry.
Is it hard to push down?
It's too hard for him to press down with his little tiny fingies.
Oh, here, baby.
I can spray it for you. What do you want us to paint? What do you want to spray? Do you want to spray I'm freezing? You want to spray inside here? How about if we do an orange shamrock? Look, my finger's turning gold.
Yeah, an orange one. An orange shamrock.